Good morning, how you all doing? Michael here with Luna underneath Bruce the Spruce. Big mucky job to do today. Taking the remainder of the chimney breast down in the roof space, which is going to be right pain in the backside, but has to be done. It's the first big job, and it'll be a series of big jobs to finally get two rooms knocked together, which be more videos to come on that there. So there'll be loads more videos coming as we're renovating our house. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll let it crack on with it. Yes, Boone? Righty-o, here we are, up in the loft now. We've spent far too much time over the years sorting out up here, because at one point there was not one bit of insulation in here, and the joists were very thin indeed, so it all had to be reinforced. So a lot of work's gone in, but now the focus is this boy here, this chimney breast. Now see, I've started a bit already, a little bit. I've got my little platform put in here, but if I get up here and see what sort of mess they'd made of it before. I don't know how many years ago this was done. The chimney, oops, I get the way of the light, had been brought inside the roof space, so we had a bit of brought into this much here, but they've just covered over with clear polythene, which is pretty pathetic, really. So started here. I'll grab that light here a second. Oh. So that's the roof space that goes. Oh, roof space. That's the chimney that goes down into my son's room, and this is the one that goes down into the back room, which was our old bedroom. And I have cleared out the bottom, so it's completely open now. So we'll just continue on battering away at this. Now, just round the other side of the chimney breast, just going to show you what we're up to here. The idea is that we're going to be taking out this support here for the purlin along here, because that wall is coming out. The wall underneath this support's coming out, so the chimney breast all going to have to come out, and then we're going to be taking purlin struts, come from the purlin, and bring it onto the central wall here, wherever it is. Yeah, central wall here. So that's the idea. So then we're going to have, we're above here, our old bedroom, which has now become a bit of a drum kit room for my son. That's going to open up there and open out. Oh dear, what's the light? And that's going to be open there, and that roof space there is just above the Aga room we called the bank, which was the old kitchen. The Aga's in there at the minute, but that's all going to be opened up eventually. So many more videos to come on that there.